Okay guys, I'll be right back. I need to go flush my eye out. I got some dirt in it and it's bothering me. Okay guys, so I ripped up the plastic, as you can see, on this side. And the other side. And so I have sort of triangular shaped beds. Not exactly, but you know what? If somebody wants to complain about it, let me see your garden. Okay, I'm just checking. So anyway, now I'm going to run the irrigation tubing. I'm going to put the black distribution tubing over there. My connection point is, oh, it's down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut this back and put a T on here because I need to run some distribution tubing down to that corner. And then when I get to here, I'm going to use a 90-degree bend, take it along there, needs a 90-degree bend, and take it all around. Actually, you know what? While I'm thinking, let me get my measuring wheel because I'm going to be using, since this bed is going to be watered by the bed with the Memorial Garden, I try to keep the same type of tubing on it. So I'm using the 1/4-inch poly to actually water, but there is a length, you can only run but so much like length on it. So let me go get my measuring wheel. Okay, so if I stop the tubing at this corner, let's see how much tubing I would need. Okay, so that's like 13 feet. And I think that's like the longest point. So I should be okay. I want to say with the 1/4-inch, you're not supposed to run more than like maybe 16 or 20 feet increments. So yeah, I'll be fine. Let me just measure on the side to make sure this one, oops, excuse me, will work. Lost my balance there. Okay, yeah, 13. This one's a little bit bigger, 13 and a half, but I think I should be fine. So now I'm just gonna set the camera up. Actually, you know what? Let me go get my other coupler thingies, and then I'll put this on time lapse. hope you can hear me over the cars. So I put all the irrigation down. I'm going to show you, well, I put the distribution tubing down. I have to see if I have enough 1/4-inch poly to run the lines every foot, but I can do that at a different time, but I'm just proud of what I've gotten done, so let me show you. Okay, so here's this side right here. It runs kind of straight till I get to this tube. I had to cut it back, and then it goes right here, makes a little 1/4 turn, runs around like so, gets to here, makes another little 1/4 turn, and goes right here where it stops. So I have my punching tool, and I do have a lot of, I think I have a lot, but we'll see. So yeah, so I'm just going to start running it in footlongs. I'm probably going to have to order some more. I'll see if maybe Lowe's has gotten some back in. Not Lowe's, Home Depot's where I get the dig. And then let me show you what I'm going to put in here, because I probably can start go ahead and putting in some of the bigger items I have. I'm going to be doing a lot of yellow and orange just because I have that left, and at the end of the day, I just want the stuff in the ground. If next year I have to change it, then guess what? I have to change it. I have 2 painted madams, it looks like. I thought I had 3 painted madam dahlias, and then I have, looks like 3 Lady Darlene. So actually, let me see which section is bigger, because the bigger section will get the 3 dahlias. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. Maybe I did get them kind of spot on in terms of size. You know, I think that side over there is slightly bigger. So I'm going to put the 3 Lady Darlenes over there, and I'll put the 2 painted madams in that bed. I do have 6 orange mums that I'm going to be putting in there as well. And so I'll talk about a little bit of that in a bit. So let me actually put the camera down so you're not watching me bend and grunt over. And you can watch me arrange it. Okay guys, so I've gotten everything into place. I'll definitely add some different colors next year, because with some of these things, especially like the mums, those will be like fall plantings, so the color will be nice. Yeah, so but I'll figure that out next year. So this is how I've got it spaced for right now. These are kind of the perennials. And actually, you know what? I think I've got some yellow hollyhock that I didn't do anything with. Let me go grab those, and I'll put those like kind of like in the center, sort of. I'll move this one here. Put that hollyhock right in the center. Let's go get it. And then I have some yellow zinnias to fill in. And I want to, yeah, so some yellow zinnias to fill in, and yeah, you know, we'll see how this goes. So this year things are looking a little bit more chaotic than I thought. But, you know, it's okay because gardens change and mature, and then in a few years it'll look different. But right now I'm just enjoying the growth and enjoying the progress of everything and trying not to stress about the fact that it's not looking particularly formal. Right. I think these are yellow ones. I think. We'll see. And I won't know until next year. So, oh well, live and learn. So one over there. And one over here. Oh, wait a minute. I know where I can put that red mum. I could put it in the section for my lawn grandpa. Because do I have one over here? Let's see. I got Rhonda Red, but Rhonda Red is small. You know what? I'm going to pop that one in the back there. I think that'll look pretty cool. Okay, so let me go get that and put that in place. So that way tonight when I come out here and start digging, I know roundabout where everything is going to go. So anyway, guys, that's it for right now. I got to go take the dog for a walk and feed him. And I got to get going for work. So see you guys later.